I was training for going under cars itself. Like first we were doing under rods for like the starts, but then soon we got to cars where we basically are on skates and we're splitting fully. So I had the record of going under 25 cars. I love trekking at the same time. I also love skating. I've dedicated almost most of my life towards skating and trekking. I'm feeling really great right now. I mean, it is amazing to win a medal, but I feel like I can improve a lot more also, and I feel like if I work hard I can achieve bigger goals.
At just 13 years of age, Rhythm Mamania has skated into the history books. This young Mumbai sensation has become the youngest girl ever to win a gold medal at the Asian Roller Skating Championships in Jecheon, South Korea.
I'm feeling really great right now. I mean, it is amazing to win a medal, but I feel like I can improve a lot more also, and I feel like if I work hard I can achieve bigger goals. But yes, of course I do feel really great, and I'm happy that I won a gold in Asians.
But that isn't all she has been up to. The young star is also an avid trekker and mountaineer and had previously scaled Mount Everest Base Camp back in 2022 when she was just 10. Mountaineering and breakdancing. Quite the unique combo, one would think.
The thing is that I consider mostly both of these sports as my passion. So it's like my fun time with these sports, like the time that I am supposed to have fun, is basically doing these two things. I love trekking at the same time. I also love skating. I've dedicated almost most of my life towards skating and trekking, and it has been an amazing journey since I think the age of 3. I started skating when I was 3, and then I started artistic skating when I was 8. And since then, I have learned so many things. There have been ups and downs, but I feel it's just been an amazing journey, and I have learned so much out of it. And it's time balancing just normally happens because um, I can skating is just something that when I am feeling low or I am not feeling in a good mind, I can just skate and it makes me feel better. So that's something that skating is for me.
But what exactly is artistic roller skating and what does it entail?
Operations, what I participated in was the artistic dance cadet programs. In that, we had two programs, which was the dance, free dance, and one was style. So in style, we have a particular pattern that we have to refer to. We have to follow the beats, we have to follow the music, we have to follow the exact edges and the exact steps. And other elements also included traveling and cluster and footwork, which are the other elements. But the whole purpose of style is to have the pattern. Then is the free dance, which I did on an Indian song to show the culture of India out there. Bolo Har Har, it's a Shiv song. It's a Shiv bhajan. So I did on that song, and I also dressed up sort of as not as Shiv, but like I dressed up in an Indian kind of attire. All the work done on my costume was like Indian. So it felt really good doing an Indian dance on an international platform. It's like showing my culture and showing my tradition, and it kind of stood out from all the other dances. So again, coming to the point, free dance is more like a free kind of thing. We do have particular elements again, like traveling, artistic footwork, cluster, dance step sequence, choreo stop, but it is a longer dance, and it's obviously more tiring than style again because it's longer. But I like free dance personally more because I am able to show more type of elements and more type of stunts in this dance.
It's worthwhile pointing out that the start of Rhythm's skating journey was equal parts insane and brilliant.
So my journey first started with limbo skating. I started at the age of 3.5 around, and so I was training for going under cars itself. Like first we were doing under rods for like the starts, but then soon we got to cars where we basically are on skates and we're splitting fully. So I had the record of going under 25 cars. And then I shifted to artistic skating. They were like arranged in a straight order, 25 cars back to back each other. And I had to go under all of them. Like the bottom part, I had to go under that.
For someone who is still in school, the balancing act between studies and her passion hasn't been a difficult one for Rhythm.
I feel like when you play a sport, something that you like, you have to play a sport like you actually love it. If you're playing a sport just under stress, under competition stress, then it is never going to be balanced. Because if you actually like the sport, then I think you can manage to find time out of nowhere. Like, even though studies is like kind of pressuring and everything, I just feel that skating is just that one thing that releases all my stress that I have. I find the time that I need for skating because I love it that much. And honestly, I feel like my parents and especially my coach, Miss Sadesh Singh, has always been like the guiding light for me. They've been like the pillars of my strength. They've always been supportive, and my coach has always helped in everything. She was also present in Asians. She was guiding me through everything. She was always there for me. And I also want to thank PK Singh sir. He's also been very helpful, and especially my choreographer Manish Singh. Manish Kotin. He actually really helped me make my dance. He put in hours into choreographing my dance, and that's the only reason, because of my three coaches, I have been able to perform at Asians.
Her incredible achievement is a testament to her dedication and immense talent. This gold is a huge moment for Indian roller skating, and Rhythm isn't one to stop at just that.
Honestly, right now, after I'm done with Asians, I think I might do a couple more competitions. But I feel like my main goal right now is the fact that even though we have a wonderful ground in PTKS and they've always been supporting us, like even after hours of the sports club, we've been practicing there. What I feel is that we need a proper rink, and I feel like I need to help in building one. Like I need to gather skaters, and we need to together form a proper rink in Maharashtra, Mumbai, because PTKS has been so supportive. But if you want to go international and fulfill our dreams, I feel like we need a better rink, a wooden ground, which will actually match international standards. So I feel that's like my project that I want to handle.